Unquestionably, Shibarium is growing, but where is the effect on the promised Shiba Inu price? Was the programmers lying to us? Hold on tight before making snap judgments. It happened something amazing today. There is a possible price breakout implied by the over 224 trillion tokens at risk. The countdown has started, and it may happen even tonight. Still, what am I talking about? Let me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. From its August 2023 debut, the Shibarium network has been creating a stir in the blockchain space. Specifically created for the Shiba Inu environment, this layer -2 blockchain solution has grown impressively. With a recent milestone of over 63,000 total accounts, the network has doubled in user base in less than 3 months. This noteworthy accomplishment highlights how quickly the Shibarium network expanded and how appealing it was to users very quickly. Moreover, the network has seen a notable rise in transactions and the quantity of projects developing on its platform in tandem with the growth in user accounts. This expansion shows not only the expanding use of the Shibarium network, but also the development of a decentralized ecosystem of services and apps within the Shiba Inu community. Many expected Shiba Inu's price to increase similarly as the Shibarium network expanded. But suddenly clarity breaks through, exposing the significant influence of Shibarium's growth on Shiba Inu's worth. Still, the course seems different this time. Signs suggest to an impending dramatic rise upward that awaits us very soon rather than continuous expansion. Why, then, do I have such faith in this forecast? In what degree will the price of Shiba Inu rise? In what way do whales and investors respond to this developing situation? Above all, how can you make sure you don't pass up this maybe profitable chance? Join us as we explore these topics and provide the knowledge you need to successfully negotiate the fascinating terrain of Shiba Inu's comeback. And it's crucial to grasp the basis on which Shiba Inu's ecology flourishes as we get further into the dynamics behind its comeback. Particularly, the Shibarium network has led this comeback, having just doubled in user accounts. What, however, originally attracts people to Shibarium? Picture this: sending a present to a buddy who lives far away. It should reach them inexpensively and swiftly. That is when the cheap token transfer costs from Shibarium become relevant. Users swarm to Shibarium for its quick and affordable transaction capabilities, just as they would to a cost-effective shipping option. The attraction of decentralized applications also adds even another degree of attraction. Imagine having a broad marketplace of cutting-edge apps that all work together smoothly within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. With its price and adaptability, Shibarium is a magnet for everyone looking for a simplified blockchain experience. Shibarium is clearly drawing in new users with its alluring features as it continues to establish itself as a mainstay of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. A large range of decentralized apps, combined with cheap token transfers, makes for a strong value offer that attracts consumers from all around. Still, some are asking themselves, why is it so important to draw new users to the Shiba Inu ecosystem? Aren't the rewards greater the fewer of us? Why spread them around? Many brains may wonder this legitimate question. The natural tendency is to keep a nice item to oneself, after all. So equation isn't quite so straightforward, however, when it comes to the Shiba Inu ecology. Less players would logically translate into larger profits for current holders, but the truth is more complex. Think about this. Any cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu included, is intrinsically valuable based on its use and acceptance. The ecology stalls, and the possibility of expansion decreases in the absence of a vibrant user base. Our rewards are not being diluted by drawing in additional users. Rather, everyone benefits from an increase in the pie. Imagine it as a busy market area. Every merchant finds the marketplace to be more lively and lucrative the more people use it. Comparably, as the Shiba Inu ecosystem grows, so does the demand for Shiba Inu tokens, which raises their value and benefits all holders. Above and beyond price appreciation, a bigger and more involved community offers other advantages. In the often changing world of cryptocurrencies, it promotes creativity, promotes ecosystem growth, and increases the project's lifespan and legitimacy. Therefore, even if it may seem contradictory at first, drawing new users to the marketplace is not about compromising profits. Rather, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is about creating a more robust, resilient, and eventually more successful community for all those engaged. And it is hard to overlook the fascinating price swings and trade volumes around this dynamic cryptocurrency as we turn our attention to recent advancements in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Even with the longer-term swings in the larger market, Shiba Inu has shown durability and has now entered a noteworthy recovery phase. In the community, this gradual but persistent comeback has sparked a range of feelings. Watching the price of Shiba Inu change is like to riding a roller coaster of optimism, frustration, and expectation. Having suffered through a protracted period of pricing difficulties, community members are excited and full of hope at this assured turnaround. It's similar, for many, to seeing a favorite underdog overcome hardship, overcome the odds, and regain momentum. Every little price increase is a comfort and confirmation that Shiba Inu's potential is yet untapped. As we examine the factors influencing the price trajectory of Shiba Inu, information from experts like Shiba Knight clarifies the current trend reversal and the cryptocurrency's room for expansion. Market dynamics have been constantly watched by analysts such as Shiba Knight, who have identified important clues indicating a change in Shiba Inu's price trend. Chart patterns and technical indicators support Shiba Inu's significant recovery from its prior slump, according to their study. This turnabout has given the community fresh hope and stoked conjecture about the future price swings of the cryptocurrency. What thus are the implications of these discoveries for Shiba Inu holders, both short and long term? Short-term investors may find the recent price increase to be a seductive chance to sell their shares and pocket the profits. While short-term price swings are unpredictable, analysts might suggest using prudence and thinking about profit-taking techniques to lock in profits. That is not the ideal tactic, however, as I shall shortly explain. Conversely, long-term holders can see this reversal as confirmation of their belief in Shiba Inu's promise. Though short-term market volatility may occur, analysts may advise taking a firm stance and hanging onto their assets with a long-term view. Long-term holders that stick with Shiba Inu may eventually benefit from the company's development trajectory. In the end, the advice from experts helps holders, both short and long-term, navigate the ever-changing Shiba Inu pricing environment and make wise choices regarding their investment plans. Let us therefore go further deeply into the issue and reveal the secrets contained in the on-chain data. Why depend only on conjecture and conjecture when we have access to information that might disclose the mysteries behind Shiba Inu's price swings? What can we infer about Shiba Inu's future course from the figures on the blockchain? How may information from on-chain sources help us to better comprehend investor and market mood? Most significant, however, is how can we use this knowledge to remain ahead of the curve and make wise choices in the always evolving field of Bitcoin investing. Let us investigate. Looking into the crystal ball of Shiba Inu's price swings going forward, insights from Into the Block data provide fascinating peeks at what's to come. A threshold with enormous ramifications for the future of the cryptocurrency is the 224 trillion Shiba Inu barrier. 224 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, or about half of the entire supply, is an astounding quantity by any standard. The enormous amount of tokens held at this level emphasizes how important this barrier is and how it affects price movements. That we've come back to this point suggests that a large number of people are neither profitable nor losing. This implies that we are going into a very interesting time when market dynamics might be ready for big changes and fresh chances. Now take into account the idea that anyone who purchased Shiba Inu tokens at this price are unlikely to sell. Why would anybody, after all, voluntarily part with their investment if it meant selling for a loss? According to this logic, these holders act as a kind of floor for the price of Shiba Inu, averting serious negative pressure and indicating a possible rising trend. Remember also that this is not financial advice. Now, however, we may at last remove a 0 in the near future, and maybe even 2 in the long term. What say you have on it, though? Post a comment here. Reading your viewpoint would be quite interesting. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.